decided to make mine with baby wipes. Now I could have just put them in this less than lovely wipes container that came with a large box of wipes I had purchased at. I just happened to find these containers at when I was shopping for some travel size things for our trip. They are travel first aid kits that turned out to be perfect size for my wipes. Plus the few first aid items that came inside it I just transferred to my first aid card kit. How to make your own sanitizing wipes. Pile a folded baby wipe or halved napkins into a container with a lid. Mix together 1.5 cup of very warm water, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon rubbing alcohol or vodka, 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Make sure the coconut has melted into the water, then pour the mixture onto the wipes. If you are using the baby wipes, you don't need to use all of the liquid, but I would put it in a container to use later. I used both of my boxes of wipes on the trip and I had to improvise with just the baby wipes and a few drops of oil for the car ride back. These wipes are sanitizing, softening and smell so good, you really feel like you are doing something good for yourself, and you are. The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your body and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and let us know what you think in the comments below.